In this video, I'm going to show you how to write a book with Sudowrite AI. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to editor.sudowrite.com and you want to sign into your account, or of course create one in case you don't have one yet. Then you must first create a new project. So click on New top left and click on Project. And then once this opens up, you'll be able to see a bunch of things. So here is basically where you can title your book you would like to write together with Sudowrite AI. And then here you can go ahead and kind of paste in your draft. Okay, you can generate scenes with AI, or you can go ahead and basically just type it in yourself and type in all the info you would like this AI to know. And then you can scroll down, and in here you can go ahead and do the brain dump. So you can basically write a brain dump of everything you know about the story, as it says over here. Here you can tell it more about the genre, about the style you want, the synopsis. You can add the characters, or of course generate anything you want with AI. You can also do the word building over here, as you can see. So if you want to actually do something, you can bring to life your world over here using this world building. And then out here is your outline. Okay, so this is kind of the basic thing you have to do. Now here you can go ahead and of course enable this story Bible or disable it. So if you don't want this, you don't have to do it. You can only go based on the draft. But of course, if you want to write it more easily, then usually you would want this story Bible over here. Now here what you can see is a few different things. You can go ahead and import something in case you want to import a document. You can go ahead and add a new folder or a new blank document, and then you can go ahead and you can basically just start writing. So if you've written something already, you can just place your cursor at the end of some text, and then you want to click on this button and it's going to continue that writing. You can rewrite a certain part, you can describe something, you can brainstorm, you can use their more tools they have, so the plugins, etc. So there's a bunch of things you can use in here, and you can use AI to basically help you generate everything, which is amazing. So that's pretty much how to write a book with Sudowrite AI. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.